So when William sent me the information, it just so happened he had his information on the flyer. And I emailed him and I said, give me a call. So he gave me a call and I said, William, what is this true? What's going on with this? He says, everything is absolutely true. Cassandra, I've been in this business 10 years and I have never seen anything like this. And I'm finally starting to make some money. And I was like, well, wow, what was that? And he said, well, it's always hard to try to know what list to mail out to, know exactly how to, format your mail piece so that it's going to be a attention getter and everything. So I was done. I really was done. I mean, Tom, like I was telling you, boom, boom, boom. It just looked, and I was reverse mailing. If anybody knows what reverse mailing is, it's just like when someone sends you a mailing piece in the mail, their opportunity, then I turn around and mail to them what I have. And just with the reverse mailings alone, and I hadn't even started the mailing, I hadn't even started the company doing any mailing for me. It was like $100, and at the level that I was on, I'm getting $400 back to back. And I said, this is insane. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade. And I upgraded within the first 30 days with that. And so when I did that, then the $1,000 were coming. And I said, okay, I get this.